My name is Stuart McLaughlin. I'm the CEO with Magnolia Research and Developments in Magnolia, Texas. This short video presentation shows our new hammerless union technology. As many of you know, hammer unions are made up using a three-winged nut and a sledgehammer to make up two pieces of surface iron. Our hammerless union has been designed to eradicate the potential for pipe failure, pipe fatigue, the use of hammers, or obviously severe injury and in some cases recently fatalities in the field. This system is designed to be extremely safe and user friendly. Let me show you how the system goes together. This is our locking collar. In this case this is made of aluminum. This goes atop our male union, which then slides onto the female side of it. We then spin the collar up by hand to here. There we go, and the system is now locked together. To disconnect, we simply reverse the process. And we slide the union apart like that. In this particular example, we normally have what we call a hoopster spring in here, which is one of these. At the current time, we're waiting on hoopster spring spares to be delivered to the facility. But this spring would normally go, this is the wrong size, would normally go inside here and force the dogs out once this collar releases them. When the collar goes down with the pin inside, these dogs are simply pushed in. You'll they lock into a groove on the pin side and you're locked in place. Some of you may be wondering, why an aluminum collar? We use the aluminum collar in some instances for some surface equipment rig-ups for our clients for weight. We don't normally use these when we're making up surface iron that is going to be on the ground. But this system, this aluminum collar system does not hold pressure. It is merely there to activate the locking mechanism. So you can have the pressure inside your pipe and use an aluminum collar. When we're going to be using this in the field with surface iron, the recommendation would be to make this collar out of steel, and that way you have multiple locking mechanisms for safety. You have the dogs locking into the collar. And then you have, if this were steel, not aluminum, you have the shoulder of the collar here locked onto here and held on by the threads. So you have anchor section number 1 and you have an anchoring method in the collar itself number 2. So for any reason one of the systems was to fail, there is a backup. The third thing we have is a pin, not shown in this design, it's our next design that we're now developing at the moment. When pressure is applied to the system, the pin will extend out. That pin prevents the collar from backing off should it try. It also gives you a visual indicator, so that if you're looking down the line and you see pins are up on each of the connectors, you know that's got live pressure inside it. If the pin goes down, there's no pressure. That also helps with things like hydrates. If you've got a hydrate in the system and you're not sure where it is, you can look at the different connectors, because every connector has a tattletale pin, and you can tell which pins are up, which pins are down, and kind of find where the hydrate would be. Lastly, there's a groove around here that you can see. That's for a ring that goes on here, so that the collar, when it comes off, it doesn't fall back onto the pipe and travel downwards, it just holds it in place. This is our, again, hammerless 1502 union. This system has been in the field, this particular model with the aluminum collar has been in the field now with a major service company for the past year. It's been very successful and used in a lot of their applications for LAN, droids, etc. If you need any more information, please don't hesitate to call. Our number is 832-326-9918. Again, my name is Stuart McLaughlin. I'm the CEO with Magnolia Research and Developments. You can also visit our website, magnoliarnd.com. That's MAGNOLIARND.com. Thank you for your time.